How to check Axis Bank account number on phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete, and on today's video we will see how we can check Axis Bank account number on phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. One of the easiest ways to check your Axis Bank account number is by using the USSD code. To do this, you have to follow some instruction. So first of all, you have to dial *901# on your mobile phone. Now you will be loaded up with multiple options. So from here you have to select the option which says Other Services. Tap on it. Now select the option that says Inquiry Services. After you do that, now you have to select the option again that says Account Number Inquiry. After you do that, you will be asked to enter your PIN. So, enter your correct PIN. Once you do that, your Axis Bank account number will be displayed on your screen. So, that's the way to check Axis Bank account number on phone via USSD code. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.